Hey guys, welcome back to your YouTube channel where we learn something new every day. Now, if you have seen my yesterday's video, I showed you how you can check if a particular folder exists or does not exist using the help of VBA. Similarly, using the same functionality of VBA DIR function, today we will learn how we can check if a particular file exists or not. If yes, how we can open that file. So again, if you have not seen my yesterday's video, you can check that out. I'll share the link at the top and you can look at it. Let's move on. We'll now move on to my VBA editor. You can open VBA editor by pressing Alt and F11. Right, I'll just close this because this is not required. And as you can see, I'm using the same module which I showed you yesterday, right? So if you don't have any module here and you want to insert a new module, you can click here and click on module, right? So insert and then module, insert and then module, right? So I'll just move here. As you can see, I have written a bit of the code here. So first, as always, you have to define the variable required, right? So in this case, I have given a variable as my file name as string, right? After that, the file that I want to check is equal to C drive test folder, and then there is a file one which I want to check, right? So this will check if the file exists or not. And again, like the way we used it yesterday, if my file name is not equal to VB null string, then it will say for file exist, right? Similarly, if I'll write this, else message box will come as file does not exist, right? So this means when the file name will return as null, it will means that a file um, does not exist or exist, right? So this way we will check this. Now I'll show you my C drive first. Okay, you can see in my C drive, I have a test folder, and inside test folder there is a file name file1 and its extension is XLSS, right? So let's run this code by pressing F5, right? So as you can see, I get the pop-up saying file exist, right? Now we will move on to the next part where if file exists, how we can open it, okay? If you want to open the file, so instead of message box, what we want is workbooks.open, then file name, my file name, right? So let's see if this opens the file or not. All right, so as you can see, this has opened file one. This is blank, but yeah, you can see it has opened from the C drive. That's it for this video. I hope this is going to be useful to you. Let me know in comments what you liked about this video or what not, or any other topics you want me to cover. You can subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and please hit the like button if you think this video will be useful for you, and share it with your friends, family, colleagues, whoever you think will be helpful. If they look at these videos, please feel free to share with them. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.